When it comes to the prophets of the Bible, Obadiah is often overlooked due to the brevity of his book. Nevertheless, his message is one of powerful conviction, standing firm in the face of oppression, and remaining faithful to the call of God. For anyone seeking motivation, Obadiah offers a compelling example of how quiet strength, resilience, and faith can challenge the status quo and deliver impactful change. Who was Obadiah? The name Obadiah means servant of Yahweh or worshiper of Yahweh, and though his book is the shortest in the Old Testament, the gravity of his prophecy is immense. Little is known about Obadiah, the man beyond what is written in the book attributed to him. Some scholars suggest that Obadiah lived around the 6th century BCE, during the period of the Babylonian conquest of Jerusalem. He was one of the minor prophets, but his message carries the weight of a major event in history: the destruction of Edom, a neighboring kingdom that had long harbored enmity against Israel. Obadiah's mission: a call to justice. At the heart of Obadiah's message is the theme of divine justice. He speaks directly to the nation of Edom, condemning them for their arrogance, betrayal, and violence against the people of Israel during a time of great crisis. Obadiah's prophecy is a clear warning. Edom's actions would not go unpunished. For a man living in a time of national upheaval, his words reflect not just a call for justice, but also a deeper belief that righteousness will prevail, no matter how dire the situation may seem. This is the type of unwavering conviction that speaks volumes in today's world. Men seeking to find purpose and direction can learn from Obadiah's determination. He did not waver in his message, even though it was directed at a powerful and hostile nation. His courage came from his faith, and his purpose was rooted in a sense of divine justice. A prophetic voice in troubled times. Obadiah lived in an era of turmoil, which makes his message particularly relatable for those facing challenges today. The destruction of Jerusalem in 586 BCE was a catastrophic event for the Jewish people. The Babylonians had invaded, destroying the temple and carrying the people into exile. In the midst of this national calamity, Edom, a longtime enemy of Israel, took advantage of the situation. Rather than coming to the aid of their brother nation, Edom participated in the plundering of Jerusalem, taking joy in Israel's suffering. Obadiah's prophecy is a sharp rebuke of this betrayal. He warns Edom that their pride and their complicity in Israel's downfall will lead to their own destruction. Obadiah essentially tells Edom that God sees all and that their actions will have consequences. The lesson here is timeless. Those who betray trust and act with arrogance will eventually face judgment. For men today who are navigating a world full of conflict, adversity, and betrayal, Obadiah's prophecy serves as a reminder to stay true to principles of justice and loyalty. His message is a call to be aware of one's actions, to be mindful of how you treat others, and to understand that even when it seems like the world is against you, integrity and righteousness will ultimately prevail. The masculine strength of Obadiah's message. Obadiah is a figure of quiet but undeniable strength. He may not have wielded a sword like David or led a nation like Moses, but his weapon was the truth, and his mission was to deliver a divine message that would reverberate through history. The masculinity of Obadiah's role comes not from physical might, but from moral courage. In a world where might often makes right, Obadiah stood up for what was righteous, even when the odds were stacked against him. He reminds us that strength isn't always loud or aggressive. Sometimes it's the quiet determination to stand up for truth, even when it's unpopular, that shows the greatest form of masculinity. Obadiah and the Brotherhood of Nations. One of the most intriguing aspects of Obadiah's prophecy is his condemnation of Edom's betrayal of Israel. In biblical terms, Edom and Israel were considered brother nations, as the Edomites were descendants of Esau, and the Israelites were descendants of Jacob, Esau's brother. Yet, despite this familial bond, Edom turned against Israel in their time of need. Obadiah's message reminds us of the importance of loyalty and brotherhood. In a world where it can be easy to turn on others for personal gain, Obadiah stands as a symbol of the need for integrity. His condemnation of Edom is a call to uphold the bonds of brotherhood and to recognize that betrayal will only lead to destruction. For men seeking motivation today, this theme of loyalty and the consequences of betrayal is deeply relevant. In personal relationships, business, and society, the call to act with honor and to stand by those who rely on you is a core aspect of what it means to be a man of character. Obadiah's words echo through time, challenging men to rise above selfish ambition and to act with honor, even when it's difficult. The fall of Edom, a lesson in humility. One of the central themes in Obadiah's prophecy is the downfall of Edom due to their pride. Edom believed that their mountain strongholds made them invincible, but Obadiah warns them that their pride will be their undoing. The Edomites thought they could stand above others, but their arrogance blinded them to the reality of their vulnerability. This message of humility is vital for anyone striving to succeed in life. Pride can often lead to downfall when one becomes overconfident and fails to recognize the dangers that come with arrogance. Obadiah's warning to Edom is a reminder that true strength comes from humility, and that those who build their lives on pride will find themselves on shaky ground. For men today, the lesson is clear. Success and strength must be tempered with humility. It's easy to become overconfident in times of prosperity, but Obadiah's prophecy serves as a reminder that pride can be a trap. True masculinity isn't about dominating others. It's about recognizing one's place in the world and acting with integrity and humility. Obadiah's legacy, a lasting impact. Though the book of Obadiah is brief, its impact has lasted for centuries. His message of divine justice, humility, and loyalty resonates with men who seek to live lives of purpose and conviction. Obadiah didn't just speak to his own time. His words transcend history, offering lessons that are as relevant today as they were in the 6th century BCE. In a world that often celebrates the loud and brash, Obadiah stands as a reminder that strength is often quiet and steadfast. His life and message are an example of how one can make a difference not through force, but through faith, courage, and the unwavering commitment to truth. A prophet of action, not inaction. Obadiah's message wasn't just about observing the injustices around him. It was about taking action, even if that action was simply speaking the truth. He didn't stand by in silence while Edom betrayed Israel. He delivered a powerful message of divine justice that would reverberate through the ages. For men today, this is a call to action. Obadiah's life shows that masculinity isn't about waiting for someone else to fix the problems around you. It's about stepping up and speaking out, even when it's difficult. His courage to stand against a powerful nation is a testament to the strength that comes from living a life of conviction. The masculine motivation of Obadiah. Obadiah may not be the most famous prophet in the Bible, but his message is one of profound importance. For men looking for motivation today, Obadiah's life and prophecy offer valuable lessons in loyalty, humility, justice, and courage. He stands as a figure of quiet strength, a man who remained true to his convictions and delivered a message that has stood the test of time. In a world that often values power and aggression, Obadiah reminds us that true strength comes from integrity and faith. His life is a call to all men to stand firm in the face of adversity, to remain loyal to their principles, and to act with humility and justice. And that wraps up the powerful story of Obadiah, a man of courage, faith, and unshakable conviction. His message is a timeless reminder that true strength isn't always in what we can see, but in the integrity, loyalty, and justice we carry within. If this resonated with you, be sure to hit that like button. Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more motivational content. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay strong, stay focused,